Okay, today what we'll do is we'll do derivation for the work done for the compressor, reciprocating compressor. There are two cases here. One case is we are not considering the clearance volume. Okay, we are not considering the clearance volume in the first case. Second case is after considering the clearance volume. Okay, you can see this PV diagram, right? I have drawn one PV diagram here. Now see here, this PV diagram consists of process 1 to 2. It is process 1 to 2 may be polytropic process. It may be adiabatic or it may be isothermal processes. We are considering three strokes, right? Suction is there, compression and delivery is there. Now what is 2 to 3? 2 to 3 you can see it is constant pressure process. 3 to 4 is what? Again constant volume process. So in 3 to 4 the work done will be 0 and 4 to 1 is again constant pressure processes. Now I want to calculate the work done. Now we know that the area under we always know that the area under this PV diagram will give me what? Will give me work done. So I want to calculate the work done for the reciprocating compressor without considering the clearance volume. Okay, now see, you can see this PV diagram. I have touched these lines to this diagram, to the line, right? P pressure line on this y-axis. I have touched it. I have not kept any space here. There is no space, right? It is actually connecting to this y-axis line. Okay, now I want to calculate the work done. So what is that work done? Area under this line, area under the line 1 to 2 plus area under the line 2 to 3 minus area under the line 4 to 1. Okay, heat supplied minus heat rejected is that the work done. Okay, heat supplied minus heat rejected. Okay, now see here, okay, what is process 1 to 2? I have taken process 1 to 2 as polytropic process. Now what is the work done formula for polytropic process? In polytropic process, work done is given by what formula? P2V2 minus P1V1 upon n minus 1. See, I have written here. So 1 to 2 is polytropic, 3 to 2 and 4 to 1 are isobaric, means constant pressure processes. What is the work done? If I want to write it, work done is nothing but P2V2 minus P11 upon n minus 1 for polytropic plus P2 into V2. Since volume is constant, so I wrote P2 into V2 minus P1 into V1. Okay. Now see, now what is the next step? The next step is to rearrange the terms. So P2V2 minus P1V1 plus P2V2 minus P11 upon n minus 1. So what I will do is I will take this P2V2 minus P1V1 common on one side. What is remaining? 1 is remaining from this plus 1 upon n minus 1 is remaining. Now what I will do? I will take the LCM. So n minus 1 plus 1 upon n minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 get cancels. What is remaining? n upon n minus 1 into P2V2 minus P1V1. Now see here, we also know from characteristic gas equation PV equals to MRT. Okay, what is PV? PV equals to MRT. So I will substitute here MR into T2 minus T1 upon n into n minus 1. That is one equation. Another form is, what is the next form? In next form what I will do is, I will take this P1 V1 common. What I am doing? I am taking P1 V1. What I am doing, I am taking in this from this equation, I will take P1 V1 common. What happens if I take P1 V1 common? Okay, what I am doing, I am taking P1 V1 common from this equation. If I take P1 V1 common, what happens here? P1 V1 common है तो what happens? This P1 V1 come here. So P2 V2 upon P1 V1 minus 1. Now we know that which is this process? This process is polytropic process. In polytropic process, we get P1 V1 raised to n equals to P2 V2 raised to n. If I take V2 by V1 raised to n, V2 by V1 is equals to what? Then P1 by P2. क्या होता है देखो, V2 by V1 whole raised to n है equals to P1 by P2 हुआ. So I want only V2 by V1. So what I'll do? V2 by V1 is equals to P1 by P2. या n यहाँ पे है तो यहाँ जाएगा तो क्या होगा? 1 upon n होगा. So what I'll substitute? I'll substitute this V2 by V1 value where? In this equation. After substituting, what happens? See, n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1, P2 by P1 into P1 by P2 raised to 1 upon n minus 1. Now, see here, what I will do? I will interchange this. I want to make it same, no? Since I want to add this. So what I will do? n upon n minus 1. P2 P1 into P2, it will be what? P2 P1 into P2 P1 raised to what's here now? P2 P1 into P2 P1. See what it is? Base are same. Base are same, so powers can be added. So what? n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 raised to P2 P1 raised to 1 minus 1 upon n minus 1. So after substituting, what I'll get? N upon n minus 1 P1 V1 raised to P2 P1 raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1. So what is P2 P1? P2 P1 is what? Pressure ratio or compression ratio RP. So n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 raised to RP, n minus n upon n minus 1. So if I substitute P1 V1 is equal to MRT1, what I'll get? Work done in reciprocating compressor without considering the clearance volume is n upon n minus 1 into MRT1 RP raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1. What is n? N is polytropic index. Polytropic index is N. Okay. We'll do work done expression considering the clearance volume. Okay, what we'll do, we'll consider the clearance volume, do the work done. So see the PV diagram. See the PV diagram. What you can do, see here. What we'll do is, we'll do work done expression considering the clearance volume. Now see here, what is the difference in the previous diagram. Earlier in that diagram, I have connected these lines, right? These lines directly connected to this P line, pressure line. Now what we are doing here, we are not connecting this line, right? We are considering some amount of clearance volume. VC is nothing but clearance volume. What is VS is swept volume. So VC plus VS will give me what? Will give me effective volume or swept total volume. Total volume is nothing but Vs plus Vc. Now what are those two processes? These two processes are polytropic processes. PV raised to n equals to constant. These all processes are represented. Now you can see here I have taken the clearance volume into consideration. So what is the net work? Net work is equals to what? Compression work minus expansion work. What is compression work? Area under this process 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 1. This is nothing but a compression work. What is expansion work now? Area under 3 to 4, 4 to 4, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 5 and 5 to 3. Now what is it? Work done we have derived n upon n minus 1 into P1 V1 into Rp raised to n minus 1 upon n minus n minus this expansion work n upon n minus 1. What is expansion taking place in process 3 to 4 or P4? P3 is equal to P4. So P4 V4 into Rp raised to n minus n upon n minus 1. Now see here, what is Rp? Rp is equal to P1. That is nothing but what? Compression ratio or expansion ratio. See, P3 we know that P3 equals to P2 and P4 is equals to P1. So P2 P1 is equals to what? P3 by P4. That is nothing but Rp. If I substitute it, now see, okay, wait. If I substitute this, what happens? See, n into n minus 1 is common. We know that P1 is equal to P4, right? We know P1 is equal to P4. I will substitute P1 as P4. And what is remaining now? This Rp is same. So everything are common. What is not common? V1 is not common. V4 is not common. So what is remaining? N upon n minus 1 into P1, V1 minus V4, Rp raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1. So what is V1 minus V4? See, you can see from this diagram, this is V1 minus V4 nothing but VES. V1 minus V4 equals to VES, effective step volume. So it will be what? N upon n minus 1, P1 into VES raised to Rp, Rp into Rp raised to n minus n upon n minus 1. So what is P1? P1 is equal to MRT1. So n upon n minus 1 into MRT1 Rp raised to n minus 1 upon n minus 1. What is MA? Actual mass of air delivered. Okay. This was what? Work done. Expression for work done. First equation we have derived without considering the clearance volume. Second where we have considered the clearance volume in order to calculate the work done. For what? For the reciprocating compressors.